Hey, what's going on, traders? Monday, May 15th, 9:16 a.m., and these are your morning ideas. Okay, guys, so I'm trying to find something here that shows us a different picture, but you just can't manufacture something that's not there. You can see that we continue to trade when we move away from the VPOC on this 4-hour chart that we've been in since the beginning of April, so almost 2 months now, a month and a half. We're just trading right on top of the most traded price around 41.50. As I continue to throw this guy and build this out, you'll see that more and more volume building up here in that same area. We still have the VPOC down here on the bigger picture. And when we look at the big picture in full screen, you can see the VPOC's down here at 40.25, but we're starting to build a lot of volume up here. It used to look, um, you know, pretty balanced, and it's still very, very blunt in the middle here. But you can also see that we're trying to build and build and build up here on the highs near the value high. I've had this red line drawn at 40. It was 41.80, and 41.75, 41.80, and it's kind of like it's an area. It's not really an exact price, but I'm looking for the market to, if it's going to push up and break this area and hit a lot of stops. um it needs to push again, and it keeps pulling back and then pushing back up there. But right now, last week the volume was pretty low, so we didn't do anything. We just kind of sat there, and even overnight tonight, 81% of relative volume. So I don't know that, again, that we're really pricing in a whole lot here. Like, we're going to be moving a lot today. If I'm looking at the news for the week, to try to see if anything's important is on the slate. We don't have Powell speaking until Friday afternoon, which could, of course, rock the markets. We've got retail sales tomorrow, but again, I don't know that it doesn't seem like anything is going to push us out of here. And you just got to be careful of when the market lulls you to sleep. All of a sudden, it breaks and like catches everybody with their pants down. And I think that there's still some inherent risks in this market with the banks. And um, there's still the uncertainty about the debt. The debt ceiling now is coming in. It always seems like it's something else. However, we don't go anywhere. If we look at the big picture here on the left panel, remember, we've been in this area since April of 22. So we've gone down, up, down, but we haven't gone anywhere. We've stayed in this area, and the yellow is where we've built out the majority of the volume. That's the value area, and that's why I'm looking for the market to get out of here before you're really starting to look for opportunities for trends. Otherwise, you're looking for trends inside this area, and it's pretty choppy behavior. As you can see, it goes up, you think it's going to the moon, then it goes down, it looks like it's dreadful, the market is going to hell, and then back up, and then we just do a lot of this back and forth. So you can catch trends within this big balance, sure, because it's value low 3800 3880 to 42, let's just say 4250. So you're looking at a couple hundred points, and you can catch trends within this big balance area. But as you can see, for the last month and a half, this balance area up here in the top right is 4110 to 4160. So we're not really, that's a 50-point range, and we've gotten above it and below it. But like, we've basically been chopping back and forth for the last, I don't know, month or so, just doing absolutely nothing. So it's kind of a boring trade. It is what it is. I would not look for to be chasing this market around in here, as we'll continue probably to get the same behavior until some kind of an external catalyst pushes us out of here. Okay. That's it for today, guys. I don't think that I have any announcements other than the 50% off was extended last week, so you can check the video right after this if you'd like to learn more about it. But we'll talk to you guys all soon.